Hey guys, what's up? It's Dr. Nate here at Thrive Dental and Orthodontics, and I was given this just the other day. It is by, I think it's Sejoy. Yeah, they asked me to review this product, so I'm going to take a look. I'm going to see how it works. This is the Water Flosser, and I love water flossers for people with braces because food and debris and nasty stuff gets stuck in the braces. So let's try this thing out. So let's first off see what type of information they have. Say it's a USB charger, 3 minutes, 230 milliliters of water tank, 360 rotation of the tip there, and then cleans up to 90% of dental plaque. That I will not be able to verify, but that sounds pretty darn impressive. The design looks nice and sleek, so that is cool. Yeah, let's check this thing out. Let's unbox this thing. All right, we got a little manual on how to actually work this thing, so I probably won't read through it. I'm sure it's pretty darn straightforward. Maybe I will need to. Actually, I might need to charge it, so I'll have to push stop in a second, but we will soon see. So it comes in a nice little slick little packaging here. Let's unravel this guy. So far, I love the design. It's nice and sleek, looks really good, looks like a good quality. Has a little charger port right here. Looks like it has some different modes and a power button right here. So let's put the rest of it together. Okay, so we have a nice little power cord, so that's going to be easy. This looks like just your standard USB that plugs into this, so that charging should be quite easy. And it has a bunch of different heads. It has like 2 or 3 of each of these different little heads, which is really nice. Each do something slightly different, give you slightly different sprays, so I like that so far. Feels like a pretty good strong plastic. Obviously this is the first time use. I'm not going to use it over years, so I can't test over years. But so far this looks really good. Let me take off some more packaging. Awesome, so I'm going to go fill this thing up, see how this works, see if it's going to work for our dental patients, our orthodontic patients, and see if this might be good for you. Okay, we're back. So I just filled up this thing, this water flosser, this portable oral irrigator. Very straightforward. There's a little thing here on the back where you just pop open, put the water in. I like to have it so it's sterile water, distilled water. It's going in my mouth, so I really want to make sure it's nice and clean. So other than that, this thing looks pretty straightforward. There's a power button, a couple of different modes. It's just basically strong to weak. I always like to do things as strong as possible. So let's see how this thing works. I'm sure if I just have like this little sterile water thing, then I'm going to put it in, but that's awesome. So the strength looks pretty good. I think that's on the strongest mode. Oh, actually, no, this is the stronger mode. Whoa. Okay, so it looks like it's really strong, so that's good. Feels nice on the fingers there. So I think this thing is actually really actually quite impressive. I don't think it's actually that expensive either, and this is really great because I know a lot of teenagers, even some adults, think it's hard to clean in their braces, hard to clean in between the teeth when they have the braces on, or if they have expanders. I myself had a dental expander. I know how tough it was to get it clean in there with a toothbrush. It is almost next to impossible. That's why stuff like this is so important, to get in there and clean it. So the tips are pretty straightforward too. This is I guess your kind of standard tip. Let's see if I can get this thing off. Oh, how do I get this thing off? Oh, fancy. There's a little button here. I have to push on it to get the head off. Pretty darn easy. Let's put the scooper thingy in there. Let's see how this one works. Oh. Okay, the scooper thing, the scooper head, I actually like a lot because, just like I was saying, if you have something called a dental expander, those expanders that are in your mouth and the roof of your mouth, you need some kind of spray that disperses, that gets kind of everywhere underneath that expander. So this is great. So the little spoon attachment is really good. So we have the skinny one, we have the spoon one. What else we got? Anything else cool? We have a different type of one. Let's see. Not even sure. This one looks pretty similar, but it has like a little, this little head here, you can't really quite see it, but it has, it's going to be quite a quick spray, but it has these little bristles on it, so you can get in there and get really close to the teeth and kind of clean it, as well as push the material, the plaque away. So let's see this. Oh yeah, a little bit of a diffuse spray. Ooh, I like this one a lot actually. Initially I thought the skinniest nozzle I thought was going to be the best, but now I actually think it's going to be this one. So this looks like the skinniest nozzle, but it has these little bristles on it that actually make it even better because you can really get in there, brush the braces, brush the teeth, as well as get all the plaque debris out. There's another one that's a skinny guy. Let's see this. I don't even understand how this one's going to work. There almost looks like there's no area for water to come out, but let's see. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Interesting. So there's two, maybe I'll take closer pictures and be able to show them on the screen somewhere. Two nozzles that have these little kind of bristles on them, which is really nice. You can really get in there and the water comes out. So I think this would be amazing for people with braces or expanders or dental devices or bridges or implants. I tend to focus on braces because that's what I like the most. But there's quite a few different nozzles here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like 8 different nozzles that can make it so that cleaning your teeth are quite a bit easier. I briefly read through the instructions and they're basically saying, yes, use these to clean your teeth, which I think is great. A couple of the downfalls I'd say of this product is that it says that this is better than flossing. I don't think I've seen studies where it says that these water or the oral irrigators are better than flossing, but I could be wrong, but I have not seen any anywhere. So I don't want you to think that this replaces flossing. That is what a lot of patients think. They go, hey, can I just brush and then use this this oral irrigator or this water floss to get in there? And I always tell them that brushing and flossing is great. That's the kind of like the standard. And then this is a good adjunct or good extra thing to use to get the teeth even extra clean. So all in all, I think this product by Sejoy, I hope I'm saying that correctly, I don't know if I am, is great. The power is awesome. There's enough reservoir for the water. I love all the different attachments. It seems like it can go from high to low power, which is nice. It's not just kind of one function where it just sprays out like crazy. All the different attachments are really cool. I feel like each one is going to do something slightly different. I'm sure you're going to find one that you enjoy the most. But for me, I think it was the one that has these little bristles on the end that can really get in there, because I just feel like with the braces, you'll be able to put the bristles, things like right in between the brackets and shoot water and get everything out. The one thing that always concerns me with these, not necessarily a bad thing, but man, water shoots everywhere. Even when I'm spraying it on this thing, water shoots everywhere. So if you're gonna use these things, make sure you're protecting anything that can't have water, because it definitely shoots everywhere. Again, so this is my review of the Sejoy portable irrigator. I think it's a great product. I think if you were gonna have braces or implants or bridges or maybe dental expanders like I had, having something like this makes a huge, humongous difference. But remember, make sure you're brushing and flossing as well. But if you want the link to this, it's gonna be down here in the notes below. I think I'm gonna have a little code as well that will give you a discount, because I think this thing's really affordable. So if you're getting braces, if you're getting any of these dental products where you need something on top of your normal brushing and flossing, highly, highly recommend. Go and get it.